What's up, everyone? It's Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. I'm here with Mike and Corey, and we're super excited to be doing a driving video in our 69 Chevrolet Camaro COPO. Beautiful weather, beautiful day. Today's May 29th. Just want to wish my dog a happy birthday, 11-year-old Doberman named Maya. Again, great day, beautiful weather, great car. We've owned some unbelievable cars over the years. At MS Classic Cars, we specialize in first-generation Camaros. When Mike finished this car in service with the crew, and he said to me, Mark, that car doesn't only run awesome, but it really drives awesome. Super comfortable down the road, no rattles, no squeaks. As everybody knows, these cars aren't always that way. So not only is this a super documented car with great history, again, if you haven't watched the video that was done prior to our purchase, make sure to do that. It kind of outlines this entire car's story, but I'll let Mike and Corey get to it. Super day, super car. Appreciate everybody's interest. Mike, take over the show, baby.
All right, Corey. 1969 Camaro COPO L72 Lemans Blue. What do you want to do? I think we should show them how this baby runs.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna go for something else too for everyone. This car's been in the showroom a month and key hasn't been turned, so let's take a shot, see how good she really runs. A few pumps. Ooh, no gas in the car. Give it a minute. So what happens there, right? Sitting in the showroom, the gas evaporates in the carburetor. So you gotta wait until the pump fills up the bowls. But look, once the bowl's filled up, fast idle, perfect. See, that's a true cold start after sitting.
Yeah, it's been over a month since it's been started.
Yes. But anybody that knows carburetors, the fuel evaporates, and once the bowls fill up, mint. Lemans Blue, Corey. What do you want to do? Show them how it drives. Oh yeah, baby. I think this is our first COPO Camaro.
It is. Yep, first COPO. We've had a lot of nice 69 Camaros, but first COPO.
Yeah, this is first gen Camaros has definitely been our thing. All right, Corey. Let's show everybody how nice she runs. Ooh, clutch is nice. Oops, sorry. M22 line. Woo. Corey, did you ever think you'd get to ride in a 69 COPO Camaro?
Nope.
Me either.
Definitely not something you're going to experience very much.
Nope.
Too, right? Yeah. Doesn't ride too bad with them.
It's crazy how good they pull. Big blocks.
Yeah.
This car drives unbelievable. For a 69 Camaro?
Yep.
Unbiased buys?
Normally they're all over the road.
I've driven a lot of Camaros. There's not a rattle in it. Tight. Steering's tight.
Just the plate and the seat belts back there right now.
Yeah, no, they left the plate and the screwdriver in the back.
That's
not a rattle. It's not a rattle. Shift's perfect. Clutch is perfect. Brakes feel great. Trust it. Think about it.
Yeah, this thing actually
Look how easy it drives.
rides really good.
Oh yeah, baby. That's my words today. What do you want to do? And oh yeah, baby. The nice weather's getting my good mood back.
Yeah.
Oh. I love New England, but the freezing cold, the rain. Alright, we'll get on it a little bit for everybody. A little squirrely. Not bad though. You can tell. It's quiet, huh?
Pretty quiet, yeah.
I think this, well, I think the exhaust is, it's got the little resonators everywhere.
Yeah.
It is quiet. It's crazy, right?
You can hear the transmission more than the engine almost.
You can feel the power.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, back in the day, you take this, header, open headers. I mean, it had a pretty good carburetor and intake already, but recurve the distributor, do a few things. These cars were fast. Trust them. Sweet ride. Well, I don't have to go get too many COPO Camaro road test cars.
No. That was a good one right there,
Especially
Mike.
this one. This car is beautiful. Lemans Blue.